Hi, I'm your English teacher. You are welcome to my class. I will show you an amazing world. A world full of exciting adventures. Our first adventure will be walking by the forest. We're going to walk by a road. In the middle of the forest, there is a lot of flowers. Also, there are many butterflies. Then, suddenly, we see a big bear in front of us. We are running away for our lives. Running very fast. Now, the bear is far away from us. Then we find many wild horses. We are watching them. The horses are beautiful. They are running pretty fast. We are thirsty. We are going to drink water. There are many birds flying on the trees. It's time to get back home. An amazing day. The end.